Should you buy this car in 2023? Let's figure that out. What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Today we have a brand new video. We're gonna figure out whether this car is worth buying or not in our current day and age. Things have changed over the past like 20 years. We're going to be reviewing the 2004 to 2009, which is the first generation Mazda 3 sedan, hatchback, and Mazda Speed 3s count as well. Right here behind me, I have a 2007 Mazda 3. It is 2023 and I have been driving this for almost 7 years now, and it's still my first car. So, well, at the end of the day, I mean, I can't say if it is worth it or not. I'm just gonna have to find out. If you guys are interested in modifying these or anything like that, I'm your boy. Hit that subscribe button to see all the sweet things you can do to these cars. Whether you're an enthusiast, you're looking for a reliable car, or you just need a car. But with the first one I do want to start is features. Features are huge when it comes to cars nowadays, with all these new safety features, technology, all these interior features, exterior features, cameras, 360 cameras. It's everywhere. This car doesn't have any of that stuff. Let me remind you that all this stuff that we're getting nowadays, you don't actually really need it. Oh, but it saves you on insurance. But your insurance is already so much more that you're not really saving any money. So like I said, this generation of Mazda 3 was 2004 to 2009. A lot of the stuff in 2004 lasted all the way to 2009. Things did change from 07 to 09. There was pre-facelift and post-facelift. So there are some features that you won't see in the previous years, but it is all the same generation. Interior features that you can see are heated seats. They even had power seats at one point. Got that sweet, sweet leather. You're gonna have AC, automatic climate controls, cruise control. They had a Bose audio with a subwoofer. Some trim levels in the United States even had navigation, auto dimming rear mirrors as well, heated and power exterior mirrors, if that's, I guess that's exterior. Split 60-40 rear seats for the sedans and the hatchbacks. Cigarette lighter, actually a couple cigarette lighters. An auxiliary port. Pretty much like everything. Everything that you need in interior. When it comes to exterior, you had things like sunroof, fog lights, like 17-inch wheels, HIDs in some models, heated exterior and power mirror, LED rear tail lights. Pretty ballin' technology. No safety features, airbags, like whatever. But like I said, blind spot monitoring, just do shoulder checks like you're told to. Next up, reliability. You guys are gonna hear me talk about reliability with these cars all the time. It's probably one of my best things. Like I said, I've been daily driving this for almost 7 years, and I've had the engine light once come on for a thermostat. Remind you, I've done almost 70,000 kilometers with this car. That's actually not much. That's like almost 10,000 a year. Fixed the thermostat, that was it. No electrical issues. Remember, when it comes to electrical stuff, this car was made in 2004. There's no like sensors for lane departure. There's no cameras that point out of your mirrors. There's none of that. You're never gonna really have electrical issues. The only thing you're gonna run to is basic maintenance. Worn out suspension, brake pads, engine oil. You're never gonna burn oil if it's a 2-liter. 2.3 is burn oil, by the way. Oh, and if you get an automatic, the TCM does overheat. So if you do buy an automatic of one of these cars, relocate that TCM like right away. I've never had something fall or break or leave me stranded. Number 3, styling. What do you guys think? Does it look okay? I think it looks fine. It's a bit of a clown car with the white and the purple on the back. Anyways, besides that, like if you look at one, drive by, I feel like they've become less common now because people are slowly upgrading to the newer ones. I mean, there's 3 other generations. But to me, like, I never get really bored of looking at it. I love the style of the sedan. Like, I would never buy a hatchback unless it's a Mazda Speed. Everything down to the headlights, the front grills, the GT bumper, the side skirts, even the Snowflake 17-inch GT rim wheels look good. The LED taillights look awesome for being 07 to 09. Like the stuff and the interior, like you guys are hopping in, you guys are buying, okay, listen, don't go buy like, you know, a brand new like Mitsubishi RVR. I just drove one yesterday. It's like, it's not the greatest thing ever. This hands down beats that. This just drives so much, like I have driven so many new cars. This for like 95% cheaper of the price of a new car to literally do what it does but better. That's what I'm telling you guys. Listen, take a look, go on Facebook Marketplace, Mazda 3, put it in there. Don't buy a 2.3, okay? 2 liters. and look at them. See what you like about them. I'm telling you, it's gonna be one of your best cars that you've ever owned. Unless you don't maintain it, then that's your fault. It's not the car's fault, it's your fault, okay? Guys, buy a first gen Mazda. And if you want a reason why not to buy the second gen Mazda 3, let me know down in the comments. I'll make a video on why you maybe shouldn't buy the second gen Mazda 3. But that's all I got for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys have any comments about the first gen Mazda 3 that you'd like to add, put them down below. Other than that, guys, that's all I got. Keep it real. Thank you so much once again. I'll see y'all in the next one.